Number 1.
1996 Chevrolet Silverado, price $7,900. It has been driven approximately 210,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 5.7L 350 fuel-injected gasoline engine, paired with a smooth automatic transmission that provides a comfortable and reliable driving experience. The truck features a classic brown exterior complemented by a matching brown interior, both of which remain in very good condition considering its age, reflecting proper care from its previous owner. Inside, the cabin is clean and well preserved, offering a comfortable space for daily driving or work use. The air conditioning system blows cold, ensuring comfort even in warmer climates. Structurally, the chassis is free from rust, which adds to the vehicle's long-term durability and value. Mechanically, the truck is operating without any problems, running strong and ready for immediate use.
Number 2.
1996 Toyota Tacoma, price $7,499. Dependable two-door pickup that has been driven 264,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a gray exterior combined with a matching gray interior, giving it a timeless and understated appearance. The vehicle has been well cared for, with a rust-free body that reflects proper maintenance over the years. The cabin remains clean and tidy, offering a comfortable space for both driver and passenger. The air conditioning system is in good working condition, helping maintain a pleasant atmosphere during drives, while the radio also functions properly, adding convenience and entertainment. In addition, the truck bed is notably spacious, making it practical for hauling goods, tools, or other daily necessities. Overall, this Tacoma stands out as a durable and functional pickup, suitable for everyday use or light-duty work, while still maintaining a solid level of reliability.
Number 3.
1998 Ford F-150, price $6,997. It has traveled 116,000 miles and is equipped with a smooth automatic transmission, making it a practical and comfortable choice for daily use or light-duty work. It features a sleek black exterior paired with a clean tan interior, creating a classic and well-balanced look.
Powered by gasoline, the truck remains reliable and easy to maintain.
The vehicle is described as being in very clean condition both inside and out, reflecting careful ownership over the years. In terms of features, it offers a range of conveniences designed to enhance the driving experience, including power windows, keyless entry, and power door locks for ease of access and security.
It also includes cruise control for more relaxed highway driving, along with an AM/FM/CD player for entertainment.
Additional features such as tilt steering and power steering improve driving comfort and control, while the alloy wheels add a touch of style to its overall appearance.
Number 4.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, is a well-maintained pickup with 398,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It features a turquoise exterior, gray interior, and a 5.7L 350 Vortec gasoline engine with the Z71 4x4 package and factory undercoating. The truck includes towing capability, power windows, power steering, power brakes, and power split bench seats, along with an AM/FM CD cassette radio, rear sliding window, bed liner, and tonneau cover, regularly maintained, with oil changes every 3,000 miles. Many parts have been replaced, including lights, tires, brakes, exhaust system, AC compressor, radiator, and heater core. The engine was rebuilt at 274,000 miles by Accurate Engines in Grand Rapids, Michigan.
Number 5.
2001 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,350, is a well-maintained pickup with 200,000 miles, equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission and powered by a reliable 4.3L V6 gasoline engine. Finished in a clean white exterior with a gray interior, the truck presents exceptionally well both inside and out. The vehicle runs great with no warning lights or mechanical issues and does not leak any oil. It has a clean title, no accident history, and retains all original components, including the factory radio. The interior is in excellent condition, and the air conditioning works properly, ensuring comfort during drives. With a solid suspension system and consistent on-time maintenance, this truck is in ready-to-drive condition and requires no additional work. Its key features, including the durable V6 engine, manual transmission, clean and original condition, fully functional AC, and well-preserved interior, make it a dependable and practical choice for daily use or work needs.
Number 6.
1992 Ford F-250, price $9,500, a true time capsule in every sense. This truck defies its age, presenting a level of care and maintenance rarely seen today. At the heart of this powerhouse is the legendary 7.3L IDI diesel engine, a motor renowned for its bulletproof reliability and longevity. Paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission and a two-wheel drive system, the vehicle has covered 204,000 miles but remains in peak mechanical form, running amazingly well and requiring absolutely no additional work or repairs. Visually, the truck maintains a professional and timeless aesthetic with its clean white exterior and a well-preserved gray interior that features the added convenience of automatic windows. This is a long bed configuration designed for serious utility, already equipped with a heavy-duty towing hitch and integrated controller, making it an ideal candidate for hauling trailers or heavy equipment. Further enhancing its road readiness are a set of brand new tires, ensuring maximum grip and safety.
Number 7. 1994 Ford F-150, price $7,500, equipped with a durable 4.9L 300 inline-6 engine and automatic transmission. With 160,000 miles, it presents well in a white exterior paired with a blue interior. The truck has undergone extensive maintenance, including a rebuilt transmission, new driveshaft, fully refreshed steering and braking systems, new bearings and ball joints, replaced fuel pumps, updated sensors and accessories, and new tires. These improvements make it a reliable and ready-to-drive truck that should require minimal maintenance for the foreseeable future. There are a few minor issues to note. The cruise control is not working, the airbag warning light is flashing, and the rear fuel tank fill neck is slightly kinked, requiring slower fueling. Additionally, the driver's side mirror is broken, there is a small seep from the valve cover gasket, and a dent is present on the driver's side bed. Number 8.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,400, with a 5.3L V8 engine and automatic transmission, showing 198,000 miles. The truck comes in a black exterior with a matching black interior and runs on gasoline. The vehicle features dual power seats, a strong V8 engine, and a comfortable automatic driving experience. It is also equipped with cold air conditioning, recently installed new tires, and a new fuel pump, adding to its usability despite its age. Although the truck has been sitting for some time, it still retains its original condition and character. However, the transmission currently has a significant leak and the vehicle will not hold transmission fluid, meaning it must be towed. It is being sold with a clean Texas title in hand along with 2 sets of original keys.
Number 9.
1974 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,000, presented as a remarkably clean and highly original classic truck that starts easily, runs smoothly, and drives with confidence. With only 41,000 miles on the odometer, it reflects careful ownership and minimal use over the years. It is powered by a robust 454 big block gasoline engine, well known for its strong torque and dependable performance, paired with a TH400 automatic transmission that delivers smooth and reliable shifting. The truck features a timeless white exterior combined with a brown interior, preserving its authentic vintage appeal while remaining comfortable and functional. Its overall condition highlights not only its originality but also its mechanical soundness, making it both a reliable driver and a desirable collector piece.
Number 10.
1979 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,900, has been driven approximately 125,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior, powered by a gasoline engine.
The vehicle comes with a factory-matching numbers 454 engine and retains its originality, including complete maintenance records since new.
It also holds a clean title. While the truck has been well preserved overall, it does show some signs of rust consistent with its age. Key features of this vehicle include its original 454 engine, documented maintenance history, automatic transmission for ease of driving,